surface area of this cone. So let's remember what the volume is for surface area of a cone. Pi r s, s being the slant height, plus pi r squared. 3.14, the radius is 9, the slant height is 13, plus 3.14, the radius is 9 squared. Plug that in the calculator. $621.72 centimeters squared. The volume of the cube is 125 cubic centimeters. What is the surface area? So if you know that you have a cube, how did we find the volume? We did length times width times height. But if it's a cube, all of them are the same. So it'd be like length times length because they are all the same size, which would be length cubed. So a number was cubed to get 125. So we are going to cube root that, or figure out what was cubed to get 125, and that is 5. So this is 5, and that is 5, and that is 5. Now we want the surface area. So 2, 5 times 5, plus 2, 5 times, that's a 5. Plus 2, 5 times 5, we've already done this problem once, and it's 150 centimeters squared. 0.125 is basically the same as 125. So the volume is L cubed, and we get 0.125. So we take the cube root of L and get L. We take the cube root of 0.125 and get 0.5. So in this case, it's 0.5, 0.5, and 0.5. What is the length of each side? 0.5